Minister Siddaramaiah laid the foundation stone for an international standard cricket stadium at Suryanagar and said the project would pave the way for the region's overall development through sports, tourism, employment generation and economic growth. The program, organized jointly by the Housing Department and the Karnataka Housing Board at Suryagrama, also included the launch of the Chief Minister's Namma Mane housing scheme, foundation stone ceremonies for the Surya Shrine and Surya Divine residential complexes, and the symbolic allotment of sites to landowners who had provided land for the housing project. Addressing the gathering, Siddaramaiah said that the Housing Department and the KHB, which had so far focused mainly on constructing houses, had now taken a visionary step by initiating the construction of an 80,000-seat international standard stadium. He praised Housing Minister B.Z. Zamir Ahmad Khan and KHB Chairman and MLA Shivalinge Gowda for their efforts to launching the project. The Chief Minister noted that while Gujarat has a stadium with a seating capacity of 90,000, Karnataka's upcoming stadium would become the second largest in the state. He stated that the project would strengthen tourism, improve the economy of nearby villages, and create employment opportunities. Siddaramaiah also mentioned that Shivalinge Gowda had informed him that the stadium would be constructed entirely using KHB funds without financial assistance from the government. He added that the sale of vacant KHB sites is expected to generate nearly 20,000 crore rupees in revenue for the board. Stating that owning a house is a dream of every citizen, the Chief Minister said rising land prices have made housing difficult for poor and middle-class families, and therefore KHB is providing sites at affordable rates. He further announced that administrative approval has been granted for the construction of important connecting roads in Jigni Hubli to support the region's development, and that officials would soon begin the work. Apart from infrastructure projects such as the stadium and roads, Siddaramaiah said the Housing Department has already distributed more than 3 lakh houses and sites across Karnataka. He reiterated that the government has laid the foundation for comprehensive regional development through sports, tourism, employment generation and economic progress. The event was attended by Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, Home Minister G. Parameshwara, Housing Minister B.Z. Zamir Ahmad Khan, KHB Chairman and MLA Shivalinge Gowda and several other dignitaries. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.